Map production. When creating maps, you want to keep in mind some key questions, such as who wants the map and where it will be seen, both of which will affect the level of detail and whether or not the map should be interactive. The purpose of the map will affect what type of map you create, such as creating changes through time or space, or combining multiple variables. Think about each question before you begin your map creation. Once you've decided what type of map to create, you can then begin the design process. Creating maps comes in different stages. In stage 1, collect your data. Start viewing it in the GIS. In stage 2, you can begin symbolizing your data. And then once you're satisfied with how your data look, you can create your final layout, which includes adding a title, scale bar, legend, north arrow, etc. When designing your layout, continue to think about the 3 questions you asked yourself when you first began creating your map. You want your eye to be drawn to the most important parts of your map. In this example, the eye tends to be drawn more to the legends and the highlighted area rather than the map itself. In this rearranged map, we have a much nicer visual flow, where the main map takes up the majority of the frame, and the inset maps are tucked to the top and bottom corners for context. Notice how the legend is not far from the main map, so it's easy to interpret. And there's also room below the map for discussion and source credits.